Review of our book choices and sample of a reading pace goal plan. Sentence starter, if you would like one, my plan. Dear readers, welcome back. If you like to hear directions, please watch the video. How are you? Take 3 breaths, in with the good, out with the bad. Where are you on the compass? Ignite, what book did you choose for historical fiction book clubs? Chunk, how is your book going so far? If you do not have a book, read Inside Out and Back Again by Teng Ha Lai. It is great. Click on the book cover for text and try reading to self first, but if it is helpful and actor has read the text aloud wonderfully, you are welcome to listen. So that brings you to the text. Part 1, Saigon, 1975. All right. Chew on it. Make a reading plan. Try to finish your book in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Read for 20 plus pages a day. Look at the sections or chapters in the table of contents. For your book, use this plan if you would like to read Inside Out and Back Again. Part 1 finished. Part 2, Part 3 continued. Part 3 finished. Part 4. There are 7 chunks. 7. So I would try to get through 2 chunks a week. The chunks are about 23 minutes each. Sample 3-week plan. February 15th, no school. 16th, half of part 1. 17th, part 1 until end. 18th, go to part 1 finished. 19th, part 1 finished. 22nd, part 2. 23rd, part 2. 24th, part 3. 25th, part 3. 26th, part 3 continued. March 1st, part 3 continued. 2nd, part 3 finished. 3rd, part 3 finished. 4th, part 4. 5th, part 4. When you finish the book, reread it. Then find a book to compare and contrast it with. Make sure you finish your own reading plan and start reading so that we can get ready for groups next week. Review. Reflect on your plan. Is your plan a good pace for reading? Are you reading enough every day to keep up with the story and enjoy some productive struggle? A good sign of productive struggle so that you are making reading ability gains is that you don't know everything easily, but you are seeing a movie in your mind. If not, do not worry. Pick a different book. You can go back to the pick a book lesson from the beginning of Q3. Also, come to office hours and we'll find something for you. Code FAUCLA or FAUCLIB. Sentence starter, if you would like one, my plan. For my example, my plan has lots of room for rereading parts of chapters I did not comprehend at first. Thank you, readers.